Hello from Superior Van and Mobility. Today we're going to look at the Dodge Grand Caravan outfitted with the BraunAbility manual rear entry conversion. This model here is the SXT with the optional power rear hatch. Once the hatch is opened all the way, pull the lever to the right that will unlock the ramp. Grab the ramp and slowly bring it to the ground. This conversion has a 34-inch wide ramp that will accept most power chairs and wheelchairs on the market, and with up to 1,000-pound ramp capacity. You can easily load and tie down 2 wheelchairs. The conversion starts behind the front seats, so your driver and passenger front area has not been touched, leaving you with your center console as well. The flip and fold second row seats offer additional room for passengers while still allowing for a wheelchair user to ride in the back. The BraunAbility rear entry conversion comes standard with Q-string retractable tie-downs. One of the perks on the rear entry conversion is the use of traditional parking spots. And another one being the ease of maintenance, because there's little to no mechanical moving parts on this conversion. Please visit your local Superior Van and Mobility or superiorvan.com today for more information.